To customize Bill4Time expense tracking, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the expense tracking section. This is where you can manage and track all your business expenses. First, you need to understand the different types of expenses you can track in Bill4Time. These include reimbursable expenses, non-reimbursable expenses, and mileage expenses. Reimbursable expenses are costs that you can bill back to your clients, while non-reimbursable expenses are costs that you cannot bill back. Mileage expenses are costs related to business travel. To add a new expense, click on the Add Expense button and fill in the required fields, including the date, description, and amount of the expense. You can also assign the expense to a specific client or project, and add any relevant receipts or attachments. One of the key features of Bill4Time expense tracking is the ability to create custom expense categories. This allows you to categorize your expenses in a way that makes sense for your business. To create a custom expense category, go to the Settings section and click on Expense Categories. From here, you can add a new category and give it a name and description. You can also set up expense approval workflows in Bill4Time. This allows you to require approval for certain types of expenses, or for expenses above a certain amount. To set up an expense approval workflow, go to the Settings section and click on Approval Workflows. From here, you can create a new workflow and specify the criteria for approval. In addition to tracking expenses, Bill4Time also allows you to generate reports on your expenses. This can help you to see where your money is going and make informed decisions about your business. To generate a report, go to the Reports section and select the type of report you want to run. You can then customize the report by selecting the date range, expense category, and other criteria. Best practices for customizing Bill4Time expense tracking include regularly reviewing and updating your expense categories, setting up approval workflows to ensure that expenses are properly approved, and generating regular reports to track your expenses. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Bill4Time expense tracking and make it an effective tool for managing your business expenses.